Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Revolved Boss in SolidWorks. Full and it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part. Now I am already open the new part. Now I am going to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. You can draw the freehand, then after give the dimension below. Now first I am draw the freehand. Now I am going to this line horizontal. Now I am going to this line dimension 50. Now I am going to this line horizontal. Now this line below 10 and this line distance 20. Now this line below 10, 15 below. Now this point move here. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now this line control this line equal. Now this line dimension 10. Okay. Now this line control this line equal. Now this line dimension 100. Okay. Now this line control this line control this line equal. This line control this line equal. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now I am going to here distance 20. Okay. Now I can have 15, 90. Okay. Now this line delete. Just here I am going to somewhere this point and this line and this point here select. Now I am going to this line dimension 90. Okay, this line dimension 20, this line dimension 20. Now this point control this point vertical. Now this line dimension 60. Now this line dimension 45, 35 as you wish. Okay, now I am going to here draw the center line for hole. This line and this line distance 30. Now go to feature and select Revolved Tools. Okay. Now make our job. Now go to isometric view Now I am going to here use 270 degree direction change. Okay. Now make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box.